How's it going, guys? Crypto Brent here. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Hope you had a great weekend. We're here at Canyon Lake, just preparing to leave, but going to our next location. For all of you guys who do not know me, my name is Brendan Parker. I go by Crypto Brent in the online space, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and a lot of people know me through the crypto industry. So yeah, hope you guys are doing great. It's been an amazing adventure since we've been here at Canyon Lake in Texas. We're headed to our next location. We're really excited. We do crypto and travel the world full time, and we're actually just in a we've been in the crypto industry since 2017, but in the camper life we've been doing since about 4 years now, almost the same time. And we've kind of just not we didn't really want to get a house or anything like that, or get an apartment. We love what we do here. Being on the road, I'm in my camper right now. Here's the drone. We just got done doing some content yesterday on the beautiful sunset. So this is our full-time business and lifestyle. So it is different. It is very exciting. There's the pros and cons to everything, of course, but overall we really enjoy it. So we're really excited. But give you guys an update in the crypto space. Bitcoin's trading around, it was going around from $29,000 to $31,000 per Bitcoin. I remember when Bitcoin was back in 2017, about $1,500. And I never turned back, guys. I was really pumped up about this industry. I had a really good feeling about it. I knew it would change my life. We're all going digital as we are, as you guys watching this video right now. Everything is becoming digitalized. Blockbuster is gone. The taxis are gone. Uber, the Airbnbs, the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and the Netflix, the Amazon Prime. I mean, everything is digital, guys. If you know that, you know this industry is going to disrupt the whole entire world. It already is. People that have already gotten positions back in 2017 are living the life, guys. For example, us in the crypto industry, being in the camper life, we've been able to travel the world all on Bitcoin, paying our bills with cryptocurrency, and it's just been life-changing. So I know it's real. I know that it's going to get even better. Right now is a perfect time for people that are new, vets, doesn't matter where you are getting started. I know for a fact that it will blow up in the next year or two again, the next all-time highs. It could happen later this year, guys. Every single year, or at least 1 to 2 years, we've always had an all-time high. So right now, big investors, big institutions, banks, businesses, companies, Amazon, Facebook, they're even creating their own cryptocurrency coins and getting a position in this market while it's down. Who knows if it'll go down even more, but I know for sure that it's going one place, and that is up. So I'm really excited about that. For everyone that is part of Passive Legends, congratulations, guys. That is the movement where we have over 15,000 members who are getting inside information, cryptocurrency picks, 100x gems, NFT, non-fungible tokens, private token sales, anything from earning passive income just by owning an NFT, to even Forex trading, and to even getting cryptocurrency airdrops, giveaways. Guys, we're here to serve you. I love giving back to people and helping people succeed in their lives, to have financial freedom, to have time freedom, guys. Not just money. It's not all about the money. It's about time freedom. And money is actually the way to get you to have time freedom. I'm a big believer in entrepreneurship, diversification. I'm in gold, silver, crypto, Forex, MLM, marketing, influencing. So I am a big believer of diversifying your portfolio and to really taking action to making the life that you desire. Whatever you guys want, you can have. It's all up in here. You have the right mindset. You're going to change your life, okay? If you want to change your life, awesome. If you don't, hey, that's all up to you. Your life decisions, the way you're living right now, is all because of your choices, and those choices have rewards or consequences. So do be careful what you're doing in this life, guys. I am really a big believer of becoming a true dreamer and actually living the dream, and not just dreaming about the dream, living your dreams. So I'm really, really excited, guys. I hope you guys are too. Congratulations to all the Passive Legends members who are part of this amazing movement. We are doing some really big things with SWAPIT, airdrops, NFTs, private token sales. We're waiting for the next bull run for this to really take off. And when it does, people are going to make a lot of money. Life-changing money, guys. I'm talking millionaires, multi-millionaires, potential billionaires. We're working with people that are already multi-millionaires on their way to making billions of dollars in this industry, just in the crypto space. We're connected with people in the gold and silver industry. We're connected with people in the Forex industry. If you're not taking advantage of this information and getting involved, then I guess you guys don't want to live a freedom lifestyle. I guess you guys just want to keep working the 9 to 5. If you love that, awesome. Not ragging on anyone that does not, not ragging on anyone that loves the 9 to 5. I know we need people that need bosses that, that aren't really as much ambitious. But if you guys are just looking for more of an extra income stream, not even to live full-time off of, it's a great opportunity to get involved in the crypto space. Great opportunity to get into the Forex space. Start collecting gold and silver. We're in inflation right now, guys. Everything's going up in prices. The gas prices, for example, are going up like crazy. And if you're not getting a position securing yourself for recession proof, then you guys are just going to have to rely on the system, which we all know it's broken. And in order to really excel and get ahead in this game is to diversify into different income streams. Save up. Instead of buying those Gucci, that Prada, that jewelry, that maybe that weekend going out, drinking, going out to eat, you name it, guys. Save $100 every single month and just start somewhere. All right. If you need help, mentorship, I'm here for you guys. I really do enjoy helping people succeed. And yeah, you're going to learn a lot along the journey. But I'm just here to give you my value, to share with you guys what is possible. We're living here at Canyon Lake full-time, living off crypto and traveling the United States of America full-time. And so me doing these videos like this just to help you guys. A lot of people have been hitting me up about crypto, about SWAPIT, about trading, about NFTs, passive income opportunities. We have a well-diversified portfolio where we're all set, so don't come to me with any opportunities if you guys do. Not interested and have no time for it. I'm really, really busy what I'm already doing with the community that we have, over 15,000 members and growing in the Passive Legends movement. We've grown so much, guys, so congratulations and welcome everybody. I'm really happy that you guys are here. And we're going to grow together. We're going to win together. And it's going to be an amazing, amazing time. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I am here to help you become successful in this industry, in the passive income realm. All right. If you don't know what passive income is, then you got to hit me up. All right. If you already do know what it is, take some action, guys. If you don't have much capital, you can start as low as $50, or you could start free. All right, and we'll talk about that on the other side. So thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of your week. It's going to be an amazing one. We got a really, really cool adventure coming up. We got some cool content to share with you guys. Cool drone pictures, videos. We're going to make some lifestyle posts and some lifestyle vlogging videos. So hope you guys are ready. Have a great day, rest of the week, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye-bye.